We are only 30 years old. The Angeli Prodotti celebrates its first 30 years, a journey that began in 1995. It is not just an anniversary, but the story of how a factory learned to think as a team and to innovate with method. Our strength lies in preparation and perseverance. Our story, growth, and courageous steps. Our journey has been one of gradual but continuous growth. From almost nothing in 1995, we have reached over 300 million in turnover in 2025 and 500 employees. We have also grown physically, doubling the covered and uncovered areas from 43,000 meters squared to over 100,000 meters squared, with the construction of 4 new production departments and a large, wonderfully decorated tower. Our product evolution has gone from take your poor choice, a few simple conductors in 1995, only round enameled wire, simple taped flat wires, and standard overhead power transmission lines, to a much richer catalog. Today, we offer the most complete and high-tech range on the market. Let's look back at some courageous steps that have marked our path. 2002. The start of CTC, continuously transposed cable, a gamble considered crazy by many at the time, and a titanic undertaking that elevated us to the role of protagonists in high technology for power transformers. 2007, the agenda for strategic change, a true internal cultural revolution to move from an executive approach to work to a conscious and integrated model, defining mission and values and making them clear and available to everyone. 2019, the first major contracts for conductors with a carbon fiber core, ACCM, a product patented back in 2006 that was able to anticipate the demand of future electricity grids for solving bottlenecks in energy transmission. 2021, the great challenge for the Norwegian fjords, a huge conductor that required the modification of the stranding machine and made us the only supplier capable of producing these record-breaking lengths, installed in a wild and exciting environment. 2022, the increase in the female presence in the company, so much so that in the factory, women now represent 25% of the workforce and the majority in some departments. 2025, the commitment to sustainability continues with the complete covering of the roofs with photovoltaic panels. We have a shared mentality. Mentality is our compass that holds together a community of people who are diverse in experience and character. It is not theory, but a set of values that lives within people. We truly use our corporate philosophy as a working tool to deal with complex situations without fear of uncertainty, which in the society of risk is not an exception, but the norm. If we bring our trident of thought into play, it scores the hat trick and assures us of certain victory. Interpretive charity, Davidson. We listen to all stakeholders, those with an interest in the company, even the most humble, unlikely, or controversial, to build bridges and value every potentially useful signal, even the weakest. Phenomenology, S.r.l. We practice the suspension of judgment by taking 3 deep breaths so as not to fall into hasty evaluations, to attain a clean and clear view, and to achieve a deep and authentic understanding of reality, without which we are never satisfied. Pragmatism, Pierce and Dewey. We evaluate our conclusions only as true if they have positive practical consequences for the company and the community. Through experimental verification and self-correction, our ideas are dynamic and constantly evolve towards the solution of the problems we care about. Innovation also requires breaking paradigms. We have therefore decided to sometimes accept creative destruction, Schumpeter,
and to continuously increase the intensity of talents, knowledge, and capital at our disposal in order to make an ever greater difference in the sectors in which we operate. Our research and development department has gone from adapting to standards to participating in the drafting of the standards themselves for the future. We always keep in mind, however, that every theory is valid until it is refuted. Therefore, we agree with Popper that constantly questioning our most deep-rooted conventions is healthy, not destructive. Finally, by remaining humble and open to dialogue, as we know that the starting point of a life of research is that true knowledge is knowing that you know nothing, Socrates, we are aware of our ethical responsibilities when we make our business choices. We question ourselves about duty. Kant imposes on us the imperative of sustainability. About virtues, Aristotle and the Stoics teach us to train virtues such as courage, justice, generosity, and prudence, and about the positive consequences of our actions. Mill invites us to seek positive solutions for all parties involved. Win-win, never win-lose, zero-sum. People first is our motto. To build a solid culture, specific technical skills are not enough. Humanity is needed. We put the why, the so-called corporate purpose, before the how, and we identify important goals that patiently prevail over immediate results. Thanks to the lean culture, we involve everyone in the elimination of waste and in continuous improvement. And how can the entrepreneur contribute? By directing and supporting the team to collectively achieve a positive impact for the community and the environment. Innovation thesis and objectives. Our innovation thesis is our why. Angeli Prodotti wants to be a protagonist in the green revolution to save the planet. Our mission is to create cutting-edge conductors that make the energy transition possible. Decarbonization, safer and digital grids, electric mobility. This vision translates into 3 clear strategic lines: developing cutting-edge solutions for power transmission conductors, creating increasingly technological products for the windings of electric machines, magnet wires, I-Tech, and guaranteeing efficiency and service for standard products. The 5 values and the Decalogue. Our culture is based on 5 fundamental values: quality, understood as care in every phase of work; team spirit, because only together can goals be achieved; innovation, through curiosity and courage; resilience, the tenacity to overcome adverse events; and balance, to make courageous decisions while maintaining stability. These values are put into practice by our Decalogue of organizational behavior, from trust in every member of the team to conscious delegation, from self-discipline and perseverance to cutting bureaucracy, from communication to challenge, up to problem-solving in mixed groups and organizational simplicity, all with the awareness that we live for the customer. Sustainability inside and out. Sustainability is a commitment on 2 fronts. Externally, our products are essential for the energy transition and decarbonization, contributing to the Sustainable Development Goals of the 2030 Agenda. Internally, we work for responsible production. We are almost self-sufficient, self-producing over 75% of our energy needs thanks to photovoltaics, cogeneration, and trigeneration. Our biggest challenge is to progressively address and improve Scope 3. We monitor emissions along the entire supply chain, working closely with suppliers, 95% of whom have signed our Code of Conduct for common and sustainable growth. The future is already here. Our team is the beating heart of the company, a mosaic of cultures from 21 different countries. We invest in continuous training, and the company has chosen to give trust and responsibility to a new generation of 30-something professionals. The future is already here thanks to the digitalization of networks with products like the Smart Conductor, designed for real-time monitoring of high-voltage lines. We enrich our market proposal with a new investment for the creation of transformer column windings, an example of servitization for our partners, to whom we offer not only high-quality materials, such as transposed cables, but also integrated solutions, demonstrating that innovation and collaboration with our customers is our starting point for the next growth cycles. With clear ideas and the energy of youth in the engine, we accelerate with confidence.